Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you're all doing great, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset your password for the Wells Fargo bank account. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe so that you won't miss any of our videos. So without further ado, let's get the video started. So the first thing you need to do is open browser on your phone or on your desktop. Then enter the URL wellsfargo.com. Once you get into the website, click on the sign on button at the right side of the page. Then click on continue to sign on. So in order to reset a password, we'll then have to click on forget password or username. So then click on create new password. So in order to reset a password, you'll have to confirm your identity. So start by entering your username or social security number or tax identification number. So enter that. After you fill in your information, click on continue and you'll be headed to the further processes. You'll then have to enter more information there and you'll have to again follow the instruction in that page. And once you fill in all that, your account's password will be reset. So there you have it. That's how you reset your account's password for the Wells Fargo bank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.